Today I'm going to show you how to use XLOOKUP in Excel. XLOOKUP can do vertical and horizontal lookup. In this example, I need to look up a region and bonus from a data tab. So region is recorded vertically and bonus is recorded horizontally. To use XLOOKUP, go to the cell, type equal, and then XLOOKUP, select your lookup value, and then select the lookup array, hit F4 to lock it, and then select the return array and hit F4 to lock it and close parentheses. In XLOOKUP, only the first three arguments are required. Hit enter and you just drag it down. There's any, if you want to put any message in the any, you can do by going at the end of the formula, type comma, and inside the inverted comma type your message and hit enter, and you just drag it down. There you go. To look a bonus, hit equal, select your hit equal, type XLOOKUP, and then select your lookup value, and then select your lookup array and hit F4 to locate, comma, and then select your return array, hit F4 to locate and close parenthesis, say enter. There you go. There's any. If you want to remove that, you can go at the end of the formula and type comma, and inside the inverted comma type your message, pound, hit enter, and drag it down. There you go. Thank you for watching. In XLOOKUP, the match mode is exact mode by default. There is another argument, sixth argument, search mode. We don't need right now here. Thank you for watching.